This is Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Kit. I absolutely love this product. It's so small, it's so compact, but yet there's so much stuff in it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to give you a quick tour. So the first is like a base coat. And this is for your eyebrows. So this is like a base coat. And then this is like a lighter brown. And then this is like a darker brown. And you can choose between the two, depending on what color you want your eyebrows. And then, of course, there's like a very small set of tweezers that you can use to tweeze your eyebrows and make things look good. And then there's a brush. It's a double-sided brush. On one side, you are going to have like more of a sculpting tool. And I would say this is like more of an applying tool. Perfect to have with you on the go if you're traveling somewhere. It's just so small and compact. You can easily put it in like a very small travel bag. But it's perfect if you have, say, for example, thinning eyebrows or white hairs if you want to mask those. It's a great kit to have, and I highly recommend it to others.